Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use TreeSpider library to display your company's organization structure. TreeSpider is a very highly customizable JavaScript library for displaying organization structures, and it is very easy to implement and also to work with. And as you can see on the screen here in the browser, it contains three different implementations of organization structures. Now this is one of the three types, and as you can see, these are the employees working under this CEO. Don't worry, the data here are just random data. That's why you are seeing it this way, and it is very easy to work with. And you can zoom in, zoom out, pan around. You can also do automatic zoom by double clicking on a chart head. And actually this is a tree type, and the root of the tree is at the middle of the tree. Now I can also reset zoom, and I can zoom in using these buttons and zoom out also. And this is also another tree. And in this organization structure, there are a lot of employees in the organization, and also there are different departments in the organization. Like this person reports directly to the root of the organization, like maybe the CEO, and it also has other employees reporting directly to him. It has these two employees reporting to him, to the person, and each of these employees to have their other employees reporting to them, and this has another employee reporting to it, while this also have another employee reporting to it. Yeah, as you can see, it is very cool. The employee's job title and the location, and it is highly customizable. And if you notice, the background of this one, the background pattern of this one is different from this, and is also different from this. Yeah, and yeah, that is what we're going to be doing in this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. It motivates me to do more tutorials like this. Yeah, this is the documentation website of TreeSpider, and it has few examples on the home page that you can interact with. Yeah, and now let's go to the documentation page. TreeSpider is very easy to install and also to work with. It comes with two type of installation. You can either use it with npm, like install it with npm and use it directly in your project if your project has a bundler, or you can just install it and copy the folder of the TreeSpider installation into your project. It also comes with like ES6. You can use it with ES6 import, and also with the browser, like importing it through the script tag. And we are going to be doing both. I'm going to be showing you both methods. Now let's go into the code. I already have an HTML file like that includes three elements and a script tag to the JavaScript file. Now let's start. The first method that I'm going to be showing you for how to add TreeSpider to your website is going to be through like local installation this way. This dist folder is the dist directory that is going to be included in the TreeSpider folder when you install it with npm. Yeah, then I copied the folder from the node modules, and I copied it and I moved it into this directory. Yeah, and now I am I have linked the CSS, the TreeSpider CSS that is inside the CSS directory, and let me uncomment this also, which is the browser. Okay, we are going to be using the ECMAScript 6 first. Now, to use ECMAScript, I added type equals module to this JavaScript, to this script tag. Now let's see how we can do it with ES6. Now I linked to this directory and to the minified bundle file inside the ES directory. The ES directory contains the ECMAScript 6 bundles, and the browser directory contains the browser bundles. Now, to initialize TreeSpider, it is simple as just saying instance 1 equals to new TreeSpider. The only required option is the target container, which is the container that the HTML file, and inside the HTML file I have this container with the ID of container 1, which we are going to be adding TreeSpider, which TreeSpider is going to be spawning the instance in. Yeah. Now let's check it out in the browser. I have this. So let me check it out. I am using a plugin, like a live server plugin that is serving my HTML file in the browser. Now if I make any changes and I save it, it is going to automatically reload. Yeah, as you can see, it is now displaying TreeSpider in the browser, and the default random data of TreeSpider is around 200. Yeah, this is why it is displaying this much data. Now let's see the organization structure. As you can see, this is Dr. Christ, who is the head of the organization, like the CEO. But don't worry, this stuff is the random data. That is why it is the title of this person supposed to be the CEO or something related to that. Then the other people directly under him that reports to him are in this section, like Raymond Park, who also have other employees directly reporting to him. As you can see, it is TreeSpider is cool, and this random data is showing that you can either add the employee picture, like if the employee has an image, you can add the image, and if the employee doesn't have the image, TreeSpider is going to automatically just use the initials of the employee's name and the employee title and the location, the employee's location. As you can see, the color is also very nice. The color mix is also very nice. Yeah, this is the random data. You can also control the number of data that TreeSpider should use by default. Let's reduce the number of data from 200 to, okay, let's just set it to 20 and save. And as you can see, it has automatically reloaded. And as you can see, the data is now lesser, it's now 20. Now this is Donald King, principal division designer, which is like the head of the organization. Then Yolanda Wolf, who reports directly to him. This section reports directly to him, and Iron Hills and other stuff. And as you can see, the color blend is amazing. And yeah, let's go to the next one. What if you want to add your own custom data? Now let's go to the basic usage, and let's just copy this random data of this data here, like example data, and I'm just going to paste it here. Yeah, employee data, which is, as you can see, the CEO is the ID. The structure of the employee data is that, if you notice, the CEO doesn't have a parent ID. That indicates that the CEO is the head of the organization, and there must be at least one data that does not have a parent ID, and it must only be just one object data like this. And this CEO does not have to be the first one. It does not have to be the first data here, or the one at the top here. The CEO can be any, can be in any index within the data. Yeah. Now let's pass in the employee data into TreeSpider. We are going to specify it with the tree data option. Now let's go to the browser and we are going to see it. The CEO, this is my name. Yeah, the CEO lives in Lagos, Nigeria. Then Trey Anderson, Troy Emmanuel, Rebecca Oslon, and David Sheck all report directly to the CEO. And the reason why the location of the employees are like different is because this organization structure shows that most of the employees are working remotely. Yeah, and these are the employees directly reporting to this employee that is the product manager. Yeah. It can also work in a flat organization structure too. It can also work in a flat organization structure too. And you can also specify another tree type. Okay, let's specify seller. As you can see, it specifies seller. This seller can be used for like an organization that is a flat organization. In the case of a flat organization, all the employees are just going to be pointing directly to the root, and in that case, this root data can be the company name, can be the company's name. Yeah. And as you can see, this is another data. You can come to this options page and check and come to the tree type and check other tree types too. There's VSpider work and others. TreeSpider work or VSpider work. The VSpider work has the root in the VSpider work tree type. The root is going to be at the middle, while other departments are going to be at the top and at the bottom. And there are other tree types too that we can use. And you can also specify the chart head type. Let's specify the chart head type. The chart head type, let's give it landscape. Let's give it the landscape chart head type. As you can see, it has changed to the landscape chart head type. Yeah, cool. And you can also change the thumb shape and also the head image shape. You can also change it. As you can see, it is now square or diamond shape. This is, if you notice, this thumb here has also changed. It has also changed, and this is now diamond shape. Yeah. It can also work with image too. Let's remove the employee data and use it. If I don't specify the tree data, TreeSpider is going to automatically use random data. Yeah. It is trying to load the picture. Okay, it has loaded the picture. Yeah. As you can see, the image is also displaying as a square. Now we can also change the link type. That is, I'm going to show you the link. Yeah, this is the link. These lines are called links, and as you can see, the link has now changed from the curly shape to just a straight line. As you can see, TreeSpider is very damn cool, and you can customize it any way you like. You can come back to this options page and check a wide range of options that you can use. Yeah, you can also set the background the background pattern. You can change the background pattern. Okay, let's do that. You can change the background pattern to, okay, let's select just this. No, I like the blurry type. Here's the blurry. Yes, this is the blurry. Set the background pattern. Then let's go. As you can see, it has changed the background pattern to blurry. Yeah, and there can also be more than one instance on a page. Yeah. Now, if we scroll down, there's one instance here, and there's another instance here. Let me change the background pattern of the last one so that it's going to be different. Let's set it to flux. Yeah, this is the flux background pattern, and the background patterns can also be customized. You can customize the background patterns with these options here, and you can also provide your own custom background pattern. And now let's do other ones. Let's see other ways to add TreeSpider into your project. You can import it directly from on PKG, and also the CSS. You can import the CSS directly from on PKG, or you can use other CDNs. Yeah, as you can see, it is requesting on PKG. If you look down here, it is requesting on PKG. It seems like there's a, okay, let's reload it again. I think there's a network issue. Yeah, as you can see, it's now working well now. Yeah, everything's working well, and we imported it directly from PKG. And let's check the browser. And let's load this from this directly directory. The browser, and notice something, that there's this browser folder here, which is the browser bundle. The browser bundles are inside the browser directory. Okay, let's check this first, and I'm just going to remove. Yes, I've removed them. Now, if we import it, if we load it through the script tag, we don't need to import it again. We are just going to initialize it directly with new TreeSpider. Yeah, as you can see, it is working directly. It is working, and it is very fast. Yeah. Okay, now let's import it. Let's check the on PKG. Yeah, as you can see, it is also working, and we loaded it to the script tag and from on PKG CDN. Yeah, that is how you can implement TreeSpider, and you can use it to display your company's organization structure. You can come to TreeSpider documentation and check other stuffs that you can do. You can customize the colors. You can customize the colors by providing your own color and other stuff. Also the chart heads, the tree data. You can come to this page to learn more about the tree data. Yeah. This is the end of the tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumb up. And TreeSpider is also open source. If you like to or contribute to TreeSpider, just come to the GitHub repository, clone it and create a pull request if you like to contribute to TreeSpider. And you can also create a feature request if you want to add, if you want a feature, you can request a feature. Yeah. And you can also contribute. Okay, I've said that before. If you want to know how to contribute, just come to this page. Yeah. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It motivates me to do more tutorials like this. Thank you.